Here we go. Got the Miata. Drifting tomorrow at Elko. I've been there a couple times this year, but I have an angle kit on the car now. Also got some new wheels. Had some unfortunate incidents with my other wheels. I actually broke 4 wheels so far this year. Been taking it easy, which has not been so easy, but so I put knuckles on the car. We're gonna go to Elko, check it out tomorrow, throw on some laps. I have a pair of new tires, got a pair of scabs, and we'll drive through those, see how everything does. And we're gonna be going to Road America next weekend. Should be a good time. I'm one of 40 drivers that got selected through ClubFR to go and drive there. Never driven that track, so it should be a fun time. But for today, we gotta flip the car around and do a quick oil change and give it a little test drive, make sure everything's looks good, feels good, before loading up the trailer and driving this thing to Elko tomorrow. Here we go, we're getting all loaded up for Elko Sunday Funday today. Thought I would share what my track day stuff is that I typically bring with me in my little setup here. So I typically bring, depending upon where I'm going, 4 tires. I have 2 scabs, 2 new ones. It should give me plenty of driving for the day. Bringing a chair with, a little folding camping chair. I have an easy up tent. Bring an impact to break my lug nuts loose. A torque wrench for putting them back on. I have a little jack that I keep in the back. Little tool to pump up the tires if I need to. An extra battery for the air pump. And then I just bring a little Velcro bag here full of just like some basic hand tools. Where I'm going is not super far away, so this is the good setup for close by events. And there we go. We are all loaded up, ready to go. See you at Elko. Drove through a pair of tires, was able to do some some test runs, test and tune, if you will, with new setup on the car. The knuckles feel great. I really like the way the car feels in drift. The front end
doesn't scrub as much. The Ackerman, I think, stays a little bit more parallel, so it's pretty awesome. And we're all set up and going to be ready to go for the next event, which is going to be Road America